What's up everyone, ReggieTECH here. I hope you're all doing well and thanks for tuning into the channel today. I have an exciting unboxing which is going to be the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm super excited to get inside this box and see how everything looks and what comes inside. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this unboxing. Alrighty, so here we have the box. On the front cover, it says Samsung up at the top left. We get a nice huge image of the Galaxy Tab S5e, and then we get some really nice iridescent colors for all the lettering. Over on the side of the box, it just says Galaxy Tab S5e. Up on the top, there's nothing. On the other side, it gives you a nice image of that fingerprint scanner, as well as the volume rocker there, and a little image of that SIM card tray as well. Micro SD card tray, it actually is. And on the bottom, we just get some serial numbers. But on the back of the box, we get the bulk of the information, which is the device. It's the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e, and what the package contains. I did go ahead and get the 10.5 128GB model. It comes with the wall charger, the USB charger. It comes with the Type-C earphone connector, which is going to be that dongle so that you can use regular headphones. It comes with the quick start guide and the Samsung terms and conditions, and it's secured by Knox. So let's go ahead and open this box up and we'll see how it looks. I did go ahead and get the silver color of the Galaxy Tab S5e because I think it looks nice. Alrighty. Alright. And the first thing that we see is a nice little sleeve here that says Samsung on it. Some really nice packaging. And if we open that up, we get the beautiful Galaxy Tab S5e. This is a huge screen and it's almost bezel-less. I think that's maybe about half a centimeter of a bezel on there. Up at the top here, you can see that camera that's built into the front of the screen. There are no buttons on this tablet whatsoever on the screen. On the side of the tablet, we do get that induction port right there. So if you want to charge this through induction, you're welcome to get that extra docking station and use it for that purpose. On the back, it's that nice silver color with the beautiful Samsung logo right on the center. Sound by AKG, so these speakers are powered and tuned by AKG, and it's an Energy Star certified product. Up at the top, you do see the camera, and then up here you can see some of those channels that they ran those antennas through on the back of the tablet itself. On the bottom, we do have those two speakers, and then we get that USB Type-C port. On the top, we do get another two speakers, which gives you some amazing sound from this tablet, and there's also a little mic here as well. And that's pretty much it for this tablet. There's another look at that SD card slot right there, so you'll just use a SIM ejector and pull that out. So let's put this tablet to the side for a second, and the next thing that we see in the box is the charging brick. So this is a fast charger. It's an adaptive fast charger. I do see that they changed this a little bit from any other Samsung device that I have. Usually it has black lettering. On the bottom, it has a nice little tab here that tells you to recycle, and then it gives you all the information on the back. In the next little box, we get the charging cable itself. So that's a USB Type A all the way over to a USB Type C charger. Finally, we get a little box here. And once we open it up and try to get everything out, the first thing that falls out is that USB Type-C to headphone jack dongle, so that'll be good if you're planning on using a regular set of headphones with this. On the back of the box, it has the little SIM ejector. And then inside the box, as usual, we get all the paperwork, that quick start guide as well as the user guide. And that's pretty much it for everything inside the box. Alrighty, you guys, so that's about it for this unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e. This is everything that you get inside the box. You get that USB Type-C to headphone jack dongle, you get the adaptive fast charging brick, you get a USB Type-C charging cable, and you get the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e itself. This tablet looks beautiful, and I wish I could turn it on right now and show you guys how everything looks, but this is actually intended as a gift for someone. It's going to be a special surprise for someone, and in the next couple of videos that I make, you guys are going to see the accessories that I chose to best protect this Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e. So if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing to it. And don't forget to hit that notifications bell so you guys will be the first ones to know when I upload those videos. And if you guys like this unboxing, go ahead and smash that like button down below. And with all that being said, you guys, I hope you all stay safe, stay well, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.